So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the earmuffs on a Corsair Void headset. We ordered a pair of cooling gels on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So let's get started. So first step is to take these guys off. You just pop them off. They just slide off really easily. One and done. As you can see, it's pretty worn out and damaged, which is why we're getting a new pair. Just toss those out. Take the other one off. Boom. So you also want to make sure you get any debris out of this. I just blow on it, maybe give it a few taps here and there. Once you're there, then you're going to want to take your package, get those. So I got these because they're cooling, and you know, if you're streaming and you're doing a lot of hours on the computer, it gets really hot. Also, when you wear glasses, all this heat is very uncomfortable. So I looked for a pair that fits, and these are cooling. Look at the difference in the quality. They actually feel very, very cool to the touch. So that's gonna be nice. So we're then gonna pop these up when it, God, I can't speak. You wanna make sure they fit, so make sure you get the right kind. And we're gonna try putting this on one side and move to the other. So here's the shape. I'm gonna match it up to how it looks, right? Open side, this is where your ear is gonna go. So the other side is gonna be what falls here. So all you gotta do is just kind of shimmy it on there. It's very easy. So as you can see, I already got part of it in really easily. Just slide that in. And then slowly just stretch it across. All right, definitely took a little bit more strength than I thought I'd need. But now that it's on there, make sure you pull it all the way. All right, yeah, it's on there now. The elastic is very secure. So now we have one of these complete. Look at that. Perfectly on there. What a difference. So we'll put on the next one. Same thing, you know, line it up. Get one side in. You might need to put a little bit of strength just to get the sort of like elastic over. Don't be afraid to pull. You're not going to break it. And like that, quick. That was pretty simple. Boom, perfect. So now you got your headset all fixed. What a difference this is. Look at this. We went from these really, the ones that it came with, it just got worn out over time. I think I've had this for about, you know, like 5 years. And now we got these nice, perfectly clean, and even the cushioning looks thicker. Oh, wow. Like you could immediately tell kind of like ice. You just have ice around your ear. All right, so cool. So that's how you replace the earmuffs on a Corsair Void headset. If you found that helpful, follow for more.